Everyone, my dear batchmates and my dear friends, and a very good afternoon to my most respected teacher, Mr. Parni. This is me, Nikita Karkar. And here, first of all, I would like to wish you all a very happy new year, and just break the leg in 2025 and do your best. So here, I want to share my experience. So for sharing my experience, let's go to back into the 2024. So in 2024, I was trying to my comeback. I was just waiting for my comeback in NEEP Institute from the 2022. But unfortunately, I was not able to come here. But after the 2022, 2023, and finally, I have come. And it's 4th May 2024, and that was my first day after the gap of 2 years. And I just rejoined just because of Shambhu sir, because he's the only person over there. So that was the only reason that I have just come back, because he's not just a mentor, he's like a best motivational person, motivated person for me. I don't know guys about you, but he is for me like that, just like my parents, just like my guardians, right? And he motivates me through the those things which is like, as Chetna told that she was also into the depression at that time, and yes, I was also into these kind of things, because I was not able to think wisely that what should I do for my life, because I was kind of very emotionally and sensitive person, and I can't hide my tears in front of people. I really don't. I really don't care about those people. Like if someone is just sitting in front of me, like that person is very just elder or younger, I really don't care about those people. If if my emotions are there, so it means that I will show, because I can't control. And as in being humans, we can't control because it's our nature, right? But earlier I used to cry in front of everyone, and he make me understand that sometimes we have to become witch for this world. And I think that is the true fact, because from that day now I am trying to become witch, because I think this is the only thing that I can do better for this fake world. Because there are some people that who just come to me for the temporary period, and 2024 is for me like that. I can't forget this year ever and never in my life, because this is the only year where I felt many sorrow, many things. But yes, there are some things which is very good, which is for very joyous moments, and that is about my family, because my sister went to Canada in June, and sometimes I miss her, but now I'm very happy for her, because this is what she wanted from the childhood, and it's her dream. And but it's okay, temporary people gone, they just went from my life, and now I am perfectly fine. And there are some people I just wanted them to permanent in my life, and after the July they just came to me for permanently for my life. And yes, I am kind of very straightforward person, so I always love to choose truth instead of cake on the cherry. So this is the reason that I always choose people wisely towards me, so that I can be surrounded people so who can motivate me, who can never judge me that what I am. So he motivates me. He is the only person that still I am here. And a few months ago, I just decided that now it's time to go back from here. But he makes me realize that you have to be on your learnings, because this is the only platform where you can be something in your world, so that people can recognize you by your identity. So again, I got one identity as an apart from student, and that is anchor. and just because of him, like this is the opportunity that I took, and he suggested me many times to the Ansari sir that she is kind of best student. I don't know. This is not my words. It's his opinion. It's his perspective towards me, and I always thank you, sir. Like I always like this is my grateful things that I always just want to appreciate you for that you just show your belief into me that yes, I can do better in my life, and this is what I always want to appreciate for that. So yes, now people recognize me in the new institute as an anchor, and this word is like for me it is kind of very most beautiful word, and like along with like I learned many things from here. I took many decisions by just his opinions, by just his words. So now I am stable. Now I am like I can say that I am stable to enough take decisions very properly and appropriately in my life. Now I can like as you can see that now I am enjoying, and yes, I really love to enjoy each and every moment in the life, because this is the life which we can't get back ever, and this is my opinion, this is my perspective to you all and to the world, that enjoy your each and every moment, try to get your moments and try to make your life very beautiful, so that you can say proudly at the end of your life that yes, we live our life very beautifully and have some madness in you, because this is the thing that you can feel that yes, you are alive. Otherwise world is just like cherry on the cake, and I don't like cherry, that's why. Thank you, sir.